Umphathisa wezezimali eGauteng uLebogang Mayile wondlale etafuleni uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali lwephondo lwe-R179 billion kwinyaka-mali ka-2026-2027 olujolise ekuqiniseni ukunikezelwa kweenkonzo kuluntu nokukhuthaza ukukhula koqoqosho. Uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali lubeka phambili amacandelo abalulekileyo afana nezempilo, imfundo kunye neziseko ezingundoqo ngesixa-mali esikhulu esibekelwe ukuphucula iinkonzo zikarhulumente kunye nokuqhuba imisebenzi yolwakhiwo lweziseko zophuhliso ephondweni.
Last month, Minister Enoch Godongwana described the current moment as a turning point in public finances, built on a disciplined approach that stabilizes debt, invests in infrastructure, and efficient spending. He was unambiguous and forthright about protecting macroeconomic stability, implementing structural reforms, investing in growth-enhancing infrastructure, and building state capacity. The Gauteng provincial government is in full alignment with this, and the budget that we are tabling today funds what is prioritized, affordable, and deliverable. The reality of the situation is that while Gauteng remains the economic nerve center of the national economy, we do not have limitless resources. We too are constrained by the realities of the global and national economic environment. For this reason, we recognize that we cannot resource everything. We must be intentional in funding what works. We understand the reality that hope must be funded and commitment measured, Archbishop. Furthermore, we must protect frontline services whilst tightening discipline. We have large obligations that need to be addressed, such as the e-toll debt, Honorable Msima. We also have the responsibility to repair and rebuild local government because it is the coalface of service delivery. It is the primary and direct point of contact between residents and the state. Our promise to the people of Gauteng is and has consistently been service delivery. And our guiding philosophy remains discipline. This budget reflects that philosophy.